Hi Gemini, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. For your general energies, career situation, and relationship, Gemini, we are picking these cards. If you want more clarity in your relationship and career situation, guys, you can watch the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So you can stay tuned for that, guys. So let's start with these cards here, guys. Gemini, we have clover, letter, ring, anchor, and book. So a very positive set of cards here, Gemini. So things are going to go in a very happy way for you all. So whatever needs to be cleared, maybe you had some doubts and confusions in your work, or it may be in your relationship. So you are getting that clarity. So that knowledge, whatever you need to have that clarity, you are reaching that today, guys. And you are someone really responsible, dedicated to your work, and you are holding a lot of burdens on your shoulders. And today you are happy for being the way you are, because your efforts, your confidence has helped you reach success today. And maybe that is the reason this person adores you and loves you. So they see you as a reliable, trustworthy, and a honest person. And people around you, they appreciate you for your talents and skills, for your confidence, and for your responsible nature, for your dedication in your work or in your relationship. So you are someone really awesome, trustworthy, and that is the reason this person feels that they can be with you, they can rely on you for everything. So they want commitment or marriage with you. So maybe it may be a situation in your relationship, or it may be a beginning of a new responsibility in your work, maybe a beginning of a new project or some kind of an opportunity. So you are moving towards a deeper commitment in your life today, guys, Gemini. And things are falling into place. You are getting some positive communication. Maybe if you are in separation, you are getting an email or a message from this person after a long time. So they want to be back with you. Things are going well for you guys. So they are interested to be back with you in this connection, and they love you. They have realized your worth and they want to be back with you. And good luck is working for you, Gemini. Things are going in a very positive way. Maybe you would have faced some troubles in your work, or some arguments, fights, whatever it is. We were speaking of separation right now. So maybe if you are in separation right now, you can be rest assured that everything is changing. So good luck is playing its part, and you are going to be extremely happy, successful, confident, and you can be confident about the way things are going to go in your life today, guys. So positive changes are what I see for y'all today, guys, Gemini. If you want more clarity in your situation, Gemini, regarding your career or relationship, you can stay tuned for that pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys. For your pick a card love reading, guys, today we have 2 cards each. So this is your pile 1 and this is your pile 2. So I have 2 cards, one card relating to your relationship and the second card for your career situation, guys. So You can think about your situation, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then choose the pile that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first pile after a few seconds. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading with the first pile. I will keep these cards aside. So, for those who chose these two cards, the first card is for your relationship, and the second card, this is for your career situation, guys. So, let's see what is the first card for your relationship. It is deep knowing. So, with this card, it just means that in our relationship, maybe sometimes when we meet someone, even at the first time, we will know that we will feel a deep connection with that person, and we will feel in our heart of hearts that this person is going to be a part of our life and they are going to play a meaningful role in our life. So sometimes when we cross paths with someone in our life, guys, maybe that person may be a stranger, but still we will feel a great familiarity and we will feel a connection at an impossible level, and that person leaves a mark in our life, and we will feel a calling to that person, something pushing us towards them. So you need to understand that your intuition is guiding you today, and also the appearance of this card just means that whatever you intuitively feel about this person you are in connection with is the right thing, guys, and you need to trust your heart and you can go according to your intuition, and it is only going to take you towards the right path today, guys. So for those who chose this pile, this is the guidance for your relationship. So for your career situation, guys, we have this card, building blocks. So with this card, it just means that we have everything that we need to make iron into gold, everything into success. So it is time to build a strong foundation with a greater prosperity. So all you need to do is that build the strong foundation with the building blocks of our positive intentions, our dreams and goals, whatever we have. So when we build our career based on these positive intentions, we are going to reach abundance very soon, and our creativity is divinely inspired and it is going to take shape for the best for us, and we are always meant for success. When you have this positive intention towards your career situation, you are simply going to succeed, guys. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. For those who chose this card, the first two cards, that is the reading. So for those who chose the second set of cards, the first card is for your relationship, guys, turquoise, and this is for your career situation. So with this card, it just means that in your relationship today, you need to understand that you have a story of your relationship, and that story would have changed over time. You have grown so much and you have accepted your role, and you are being really brave, courageous. You have acknowledged the mistakes that you did and also the remarkable work that you have done in this relationship, and you have healed from the past, learned so much in this relationship. So, reframing what has happened is taking you towards a greater wisdom and strength. And if you are looking for a good relationship, you need to rewrite the story. If you want a partnership that you simply dream of, you must not only focus on the shortcomings or challenges, but also you should never forget your strength and whatever you have given for this connection, for this love, or for any relationship for that matter. So you need to reconsider your story so that you can rewrite the best one for you. So it just means that you have to remember all the positive things you have done in any relationship instead of brooding over the past and worrying about all the mistakes or negative things that has happened, guys. So that is the energy with this card for your relationship. So let's see what is the energy with this card for your career situation, guys, for those who chose this card. It just means that you are the person who will draw your own picture in your life. So whatever you need to do, it is right in front of you, guys, and you have the power to make everything work for you, magnify your abilities and create a positive situation for you. And you are going to handle your situation in a much better way today. And maybe it is time you do everything by yourself if you want success for yourself, guys. So you have to use your creative talents to give your life a meaning and purpose, and that way you will be able to develop prosperity, and that is going to help you a lot today, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the energy here. So if you want success, just like the way you dreamt, you should be the one who draws that picture. So it is in your hands, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys, for your relationship and career situation. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.